and welcome to my 2016 bike check. This is a Haro Flightline 1 2016. Starting from the top, I have ODI Vans grips, which are really worn down. Then I have ODI Flight Series bars with a Husfelt stem. Then I have a SR Centaur fork, which is 100 millimeters, with a Kenda Navigal Pro tire, and then I have the Haro Flightline 1 2016 frame with a 90-degree head tube angle because I cracked it, and then I have a WTB Volt seat. It's really comfortable on my butt. And then I have Crank Brothers 50/50 pedals with a Pro chain guard and a Shimano Tourney drivetrain. In my rear tire is a Schwalbe Hans Dampf. And yeah, then all the other parts are just stock, so it's an awesome bike. Thank you. Thank you, Ipacam, for liking my video so I could do this bike check. And don't expect many more bike videos on this bike until I get a new one, hopefully within a year. So thank you. Adios.